Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Wisdom English Academy. This is me Hikmat Hashimi. Today I'm going to practice some speaking questions with some of our students. So let's start. Hello, Assalamu alaikum.
Hello, walaikum assalam.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. What about you?
I'm also fine. Thank you very much. Okay, do you have time for a couple of questions?
Yes, I do.
Great. What is your full name?
My full name is Jalwa Babar Sarwar.
Great. What can I call you?
You can call me Jalwa.
Great. Okay, Jalwa, how old are you?
I am 10 years old.
Great. Okay, Jalwa, where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
Great. Which part of Pakistan are you from?
I'm from Karak.
Great. In Jalwa, where do you live currently?
I currently live in Lalazar Colony.
So how long have you been living in Lalazar Colony?
I have been living here for 6 years.
Jalwa, what is your educational background?
I am school student and I read in class 4th.
Okay, great. Okay, Jalwa, which position do you have in the class?
I have second position in my class.
Okay, dear Jalwa, who is your best friend?
My best friend is Ikra.
Great. Okay, Jalwa, do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 4 siblings.
Okay, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters.
Okay, what are their names?
My sister names are Maria and Memuna and my brother names are Enam and Ehram.
Okay, great. Which number are you?
I am second in line.
Okay, Jalwa, what's your future planning? What's your great ambition?
My future plan is that I want to become an army doctor.
You want to become an army doctor. Okay, and Jalwa, do you like sports?
Yes, I like sport.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football.
Your favorite sport is football. Okay, Jalwa, do you go to English class?
Yes, I do.
What time do you go to English class?
I go to my English class at 3 o'clock.
Okay, and what's your English Academy name?
My English Academy name is Wisdom English Academy.
Okay, and who is your teacher?
My teacher is Sir Hikmat.
Okay, do you like your teacher?
Yes, I like my teacher.
Why do you like your teacher?
Because he is hardworking and he is funny. He is like my brother.
Okay, thank you very much, Jalwa, for your time. Have a good day.
Welcome, sir.